Oh my god, shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. 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 Oh my god, shoes. That guy, I swear to God, he's saying about a guy singing about shoes. That's not really.
These shoes
suck.
Shoes. Feet wash. Feet wash. Feet wash. Feet wash. These shoes suck. These shoes suck.
These shoes suck. Shut up! Shut up!
Shoes. Shoes. Shoes.
Let's get some shoes.
Wash the feet.
Let's party.
Wash the feet. Wash the feet.
And you want to do 300
Like this. Oh, my feet are so dry.
These shoes are $300. These shoes are
Rub 'em up.
$300. Let's get them.
Vanessa's like, okay then.
Yeah, I like this.
I'll just sit down.
Your chair right there.
It's fine.
I can't fit through you.
With Vader.
I stepped on that glass last week. I was really worried that your glass was on my foot.
Oh.
Oh, by the way, Bets. Fuck you! Fuck you!
Fuck you! Somebody stepped on my shoe.
He's like,
Dancing, so I was taking my shoes off. And as I was dancing with that lady, she said, put your shoes back on. The glass was there. So I put my shoes back on. But
Okay.
shoes.
I want to watch it.
Peace out.
placed a big chunk out of my foot.
Hi.
And I thought